guys, this is Justin with Vintage Trailer Works. We're going to take a moment today and show you your electrical setup, the 12 volt specifically, and we're going to take a look in your battery box. This is kind of the brain of the entire trailer, and you'll see here that this is equipped with a deep cycle marine battery. You have an option to add that. Typically our campers come standard with just the wires, and you can add in your own battery of choice, lithium, leaded, AGM, whatever your choice may be. There's enough space in here for 2 batteries, but here we just have one setup. The battery connected, wired in, you have 3 positive wires, red, 2 negative wires, black, and those are your main power. So you have a 30 amp fuse there, 30 amp, 12 gauge, 30 or a 10 gauge, excuse me, 30 amp wire that runs from there to the master disconnect switch. Same with your negative terminal or your negative wire. And then you also have wires coming from your solar controller that wire into the battery as well. And then you have 1 additional wire coming from your electric brake to the battery, and it is only a positive wire. So we only run the positive wire to the battery because the ground for the electric brake is actually grounded under the trailer, so we don't have to run an additional ground here to the battery. In order to power your trailer, you're going to want to turn this master disconnect switch on, and once you do that, you will have power to the rest of the trailer. In order to kill power to the trailer, you would just simply turn it off, and then that would kill the 12 volt all the way to the back of the trailer, anything behind the master disconnect switch. If by some chance your master disconnect switch is on and you're not getting power, one of the first places to look is to check this 30 amp fuse. It's possibly blown. You can just replace that, and then you will be good to go. Guys, just as a reminder and something to note, your trailer is not going to come standard equipped with a battery. We do wire the trailer, pre-wire the trailer for a battery of your choice. However, you can add a battery with our Camp Now package, which includes a lithium battery, a 100 watt Renogy solar panel, and a Blizzard 56 quart Blizzard box as well.